respected teachers and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. The title of my speech is hard working. Dear guys, hard work is the most important key to success. Achievements without hard work are impossible. A person who is working hard is able to gain success and happiness in life. Work is a privilege and a pleasure. The idleness is a luxury that no one can afford. Man is born to work and prosper in life. There is no tomorrow for him. Dear guys, a life of idleness is a life of shame and disgrace. The failure in life is often due to idleness. We can say that not poverty but idleness is a great curse. If you waste time, the time will waste us. Dear guys, can you hear about the American famous president Abraham Lincoln? He afforded a lamp and read borrowed books with the light of the fire. And yet by dint of hard work, he rose to be the greatest man of his time. At the end of my speech, I would like to request my fellow students to work hard and prove yourselves as a responsible citizen for the nation and country. Now I want to sum up my speech on these verses of our national poet Allama Iqbal. मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तू समंदर तलाश कर. हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, पत्थर ही टूट जाए वो शीशा तलाश कर.